Can we just chat for a moment here? See, I know you've been talking about making your dreams happen, about you can't wait till you retire, or you can't wait until X date in the future when you're going to pursue your dreams, when you're going to make things happen. Let's face it, neither you nor I, neither of us, have a crystal ball or know when the end of days is coming for each one of us. And yet, you're still stalling, and you've been stalling for way too long on those dreams. Here's the thing. If you don't make the decision that you are worth pursuing your dreams, and you're worth pursuing your dreams now, today, they're not going to happen. Nobody's going to pursue them for you. And that's not okay. Because guess what? Women like you, with dreams like yours, women like me, with dreams like mine, we're the kind of women who change the world. We're the kind of women who make a legacy that is going to impact generations to come. So I want to put it on your shoulders, and I really want to bring it to your front burner, that you are doing us a disservice by not pursuing your dreams. And that's going to change. That is not okay. So I want to encourage you to take that leap. Think of it as like wanting to push you a little bit towards the direction of your dreams. Just kind of like make that jump, take the leap by giving you some of the tools that I know are going to be absolutely fundamental in monetizing that journey. Now you might say like, well, but you don't need money to pursue your dreams. Yeah, sure. But guess what? Money is a huge catalyst when it comes down to dreams and achieving things. It will absolutely help you in your journey to get to your dream, to make those changes, to change the world in the way that you want to change them. It'll get you there faster. So I need you to stop dilly-dallying and vilifying money, because you need it. And this is exactly why we've put Her Money School together, and why I've put enough tools in there that you can get yourself started for free. So go ahead, download it. And by the way, you cannot access this app on the App Store. I don't want anyone who is not fully committed and ambitious, committed to her dreams and committed to making more money, to download this. So truly, it's by invitation only. And this is your exclusive invitation. So take it as a sign of the universe, if you will. Think of it as it's knocking on your door, sending me as a messenger to say like, hey, it's your turn to step up on deck and take that dream you've had for who knows how long and make it a reality. So, are you ready? Because if so, it's time you start making money.